Hi everyone. So today we'll talk about Canvify. So Canvify is a Shopify app that actually helps us to import Canva designs into our Shopify store directly without any hassle. And guess what? The designs are SEO friendly for the searchability. And now let's just jump into our screen and see how can we use it. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is to go inside our Canva account, and after that we have to search for website. And now you can simply click on see all in the suggested templates, and you will be able to see bunch of different website templates that we can use. And now what we need to do, we just have to select the template here. So let's look for any product based template. Alright, so I think this is the one that we can use. So let's click on this one, and now let's click on customize template. Alright, so now we are inside the Canva editor. Okay, so now if you want to customize the design of the website, you can simply do this from here. But right now I will just simply keep it like this. So now let's click on publish website. So here you can see this resize on the mobile. You have to check on this and you have to uncheck include navigation menu, and after this you just have to click on publish website. Alright, so now what we need to do, we have to copy the link from here, and now we have to go back into our Shopify admin where we have already installed our Canvify app. But if you haven't installed it, the process is really simple. You just have to search for Canvify in Shopify App Store, and now you can simply click on this, and from here you can simply install this. Since I have already installed this, that is why we are having open option here. Otherwise you will be able to see the install option. So now let's go back. Alright, so here you can see the templates here, but right now we wanted to import the design that we have built in our Canva account. So let's click on this add, and here you can see the two options, Canva site link, and the second one is the title. Okay, so in the Canva site link, you just have to paste the link that we have copied earlier from here. So let's go back and paste the link here. So let's write down the title as new product page. Alright, so now if you wanted to hide the Shopify header and footer, you can also do this. So right now I would like to hide this. So let's check on this and also check on this. Alright, so now let's click on import page. Alright, so our page is successfully imported, and if I just click on view here, you will be able to see our Canva design here that we have created. Okay, so you can see the design here, everything is looking really great, and it is also responsive. Alright, so if I just do the right click, do the inspect, and if I just go into the responsive mode, now you will be able to see that we have the responsive design. Okay, so let's change it into the mobile version. This is how it is looking on the mobile version. Alright, so now let's close this. Now if you wanted to update the design, what you need to do, you just go back to your Canva design. Alright, so let's click on close here, click on edit design. Alright, so here I would like to change the background color. So let's click on here. Let's just change the background color here to the black, and let's click on publish. Click on republish website. So we have updated our website. So now you don't have to copy the URL again. You just have to go back into our Shopify store, and here you just have to click on the update. Now let's click on update page, and after updating the page, let's just go back to our product page, refresh the page. You will be able to see our new design. So this is how you can update the design of your Shopify page with the help of Canvify. So if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.